Hi guys. Today we'll be talking about Quixel bridge, the use of Quixel bridge materials, models in Lumion. Uh, Now this is Lumion 11. I'll be using Lumion 11 for the purpose of the tutorial. If you have lower versions of Lumion, it's still the same thing. You're still going to have the same experience. So let's get started. First, Quixel bridge. Let's talk about Quixel bridge. Quixel Bridge is actually an asset browser that works with almost all 3D visualization softwares. So, just as you can see, I'm on the website. So, I'm on the website. I can Here's the address quixelbridge.com/bridge. Then you'll be able to download the asset browser, the software on your computer or your personal computer. So I'll also drop the link in the description, or after clicking download and open and install. So after installation, this is what you get. So you come here to log in. You have to log in before you can have access to the material. So you click sign in. I've already created an account, but I advise you create an account with Epic Games. Don't create with Quixel Bridge. The reason why is this: if you create with Quixel Bridge, you will have limitations to some of the materials and models. But if you create an account with Epic Games, you have full access to all the assets content. So after signing in, this pops out and this changed to this particular icon. Now I can access thousands of browsers here, 3D asset, plants, but for the sake of the tutorial, I'll focus on those materials. So let me navigate to tiles or marbles. Let me navigate to marbles. So I can come here, select the material. Now take note, whenever you're selecting material, always make sure the kind of material you select, and their scale. You can decide to download 2K, 4K, 8K, but for the sake of this tutorial, I'll be using just 2K. I don't want to waste time or take a lot of time to download. 2K materials are large materials. So I can come here, you see every other properties of each of the model, the materials rather, then I can click download. Let me download this also. So after successful download, you come here in your locals and you will see all the materials that you've downloaded. These are the materials that I've actually downloaded, including models and textures and all of that. So you come here, then you'll be able to export them. So now take note, whenever you're exporting for Lumion, whenever you select any materials for Lumion, like for instance, let me try and export this material. Let me export this material to Lumion. So you come to this option, export settings. Then export settings, you now change if it's on. If you're using every other software like Unreal Engine, 3D Max, Maya and Co, Blender, you can export to them directly. But for the sake of Lumion, we'll be exporting to custom disk export. Then you select a folder where you want to save all the materials, which I have done. Then after selecting, then you go back. So we'll be exporting this particular material, concrete pavement. So let's exported successfully. Now we go back to Lumion and let's use that for our floor materials. I'll select this, apply standard material to it, then come here. So concrete pigments, then we can pick the color map. Then click the normal map also. Then click the displacement map. Now we have very good material, as you can see. Now let's remove the reflectivity. It's too much. Don't really need it. The glossiness. Now this is what we have. This is the material. It has a good scaling. You can actually adjust. You can still adjust the scaling. The scale. Let's reduce the scale. Yes. Now, and we can rotate just the basic function and increase the displacement. This is the displacement one. So we don't really need much of the displacement. And that is that for cell bridge materials usage on Lumion. So thank you for staying to the end of the video. I'll keep dropping tips. Make sure you like and comment.